Okay, so we'll start the calendering process or sheet forming process. Okay, so how the plastic sheets we are manufacturing. This is the one simple animation. So initially, if you are observing here, the solid plastic raw material. This is raw material. Okay, and these are the rollers. This is the motors for rotating the roller, and this is roller conveyor. This, if you are observing this conveyor now, this is roller conveyor. Because of this roller, the material is getting movable. Okay, and now you are observing while going through the different roller combinations, we are getting the thin size. Okay, and now you observe the material. So how the plastic sheets we are manufacturing. This same method is for metal material also. Okay, but only difference is that we are just using the same. In here also we are using the hot material, and in metal case also we are using the hot material. But nowadays, due to the trace concentration and trace formation problem, what we are doing, we are making the sheet in the cold, from the colder material. Okay, so nowadays this is advanced technology, advanced technology generating, but maximum time hot materials we are rolling. Okay, once again see the video. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, first roller set, second roller set, third roller set, and this is fourth roller set. Okay, at first roller set there is a difference, distance between the two center roller center will be more. Here the distance between the two roller center will reduce again final, whatever the thickness is required, that will be side, or we can say center distance for the this roller combination. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, once again just to see the video. So okay, so calendering, this is calendering, or we can call it as a sheet forming process. This is a motor, and this is adjustment. This above you are observing this screw now. This screw is for adjustment purposes. In lathe also, whatever the same fill we are just for adjusting, same fill here we have. So how the size is getting reduced, again getting reduced, again reduced. So like this. Okay. So this is not a difficult process. This is a calendering process. Okay. Same here. Give the heading. Other request to give the heading calendering, or we can call it as a sheet forming process. Calendering or sheet forming process. And write down below. Give the heading and write down. Write down fast. Write down below. Just write down. Okay, so it is very simple. Calendering are nothing but write down fast. Write down. So we'll for this is very simple. So as you guys have seen the animation, so similar here, the different rolls and material is going into the through the different roll sizes. So that's it. It's nothing more.
No.
Just a second. Just a second due to internet issue. So the power is off. So due to internet issue, I'm not able to share the screen. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So now see the screen and write down. Okay. So write down fast. Calendaring, or we can call it as a sheet forming process. Is it my screen visible? Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down. Calendars are nothing but the group of rows togetherly arranged in the more than 2 numbers. Now we have seen the animation of 4 numbers. Generally, 4 rows arrangement is used. Now we have seen the animation of a 4 row number. This number of rows in the calendar can be up to 7. Okay, the roll are generally made up of polished cast iron. So that roller material is polished cast iron. So that's it. So write down. Roll number 6. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it simple?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 26. Amol Mari. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is not difficult. It is very simple. So as you guys have, if you have seen the animation, then there is no issue. Okay. So write it fast. So write down fast. Write down fast. We'll go for the next point. So is it completed? Inbox me fast. Is it completed? Up to, I thought up to this point, is it completed? Okay. So go for this paragraph. Write down. The temperature and the speed of each roll is adjusted is adjusted इथं अकाउंट करा अकाउंट टू रिक्वायरमेंट okay account to requirement. The calendaring is one of the most expensive process and are employed for the manufacture of few special products like plasticized PVC that we can call it as now in daily life routine. What is its application? I will okay. In four-wheeler, the front decal we are using the seats. So that seat also we are manufacturing using the calendaring process. So write down this paragraph. Write it fast. Okay. So hope is it completed. So just draw this diagram. Okay. So draw this diagram. So this roller will come like this. The material will flow like this. So material will flow like this into the rolls. Okay, so these are the rolls, heated rolls. If you observe in metal, where at that time we are heating the metal, but in plastic, sometimes in some cases we are heating the plastic up to some level, and majorly we are heating the rolls in plastic, but in metal we are heating the raw material. So this is one major difference between the metal and plastic. So you guys have to consider this. Draw this diagram, calendering. So this is small and important point, calendering. So plastic thing is not difficult. We have just a different processes, different welding processes, different materials. So and all about this. So it's not just we need to understand the process. Draw this first. Draw this fast. Okay, is it completed? Samruddhi, roll number 1. Okay, so next point is blow molding. Okay, so now we'll see how to blow molding is working. Okay, so what is the process? We'll see one animation video, so you guys will understood each and everything. So it is not difficult. It's okay. Okay, so go for the video. So by simple animation, you will get a understood. Okay. So we have video blow molding. Okay. So see the video. Okay. So let's see the process. Okay. I thought I have already I have shown this video to you guys. Again, you just seen it. So how the blow molding? This is a continuous extrusion blow molding. This is continuous extrusion blow molding. Okay. So see, this is Parison. Parison is plastic material. So just this is a step arranged material. Okay. And these are, as we know that we call it as a mold. Okay. So this Parison we have placed in between these two molds, and here in, if you see here, the Parison here just here molded. Just again one more step, if you guys seen, then you will get understood. So such bottles we can manufacture by using this blow molding. Okay. So this is a complete animation. Okay. So this is complete animation. Here this is mold. Now we have seen in previous slide. So this is a mold. This is motor. This is hopper. Here we will place some plastic material, and by using this motor, and this is screw conveyor, we are just forcing. This is screw conveyor. So this is screw conveyor. Due to this motor, we are just forcing this plastic material towards this molding. Okay. So now you see here, and this is heated. Here we'll get liquid plastic. Okay. So after some times we'll stop this forcing, and by pressing this air into this mold from the top side, we are just forcing this material to this side. So like this. Okay. So this is extrusion. Majorly, again once more, you just see this process. So you'll get all things clear. For bottle manufacturing purposes, we are using the blow molding. This is extrusion blow molding. Now go for the injection blow molding. Go for the animation of injection blow molding. Okay, so that's it. Now write down, give the heading, blow molding. Blow molding is a process of inflating hot halos thermoplastic perform, or we can call it paraffin, inside a closed mold so that its shape conform to that mold cavity. Just the theory. Now what we have seen. So nothing major. Write it. Write on this page fast. Write down the give the heading, blow molding, and write down this. Just second. Just second. I am connecting the network. Okay. Sorry for disturb. So, okay. Uh, Now is it visible? Reply fast inbox. So I will just confirmation. So reply fast. Now is it visible? Rule number 1, 2, 20 to 25, 30, 34. Is it visible? Okay. So now write down
Yes,
fast.
sir.
Okay. Write down. Write down fast. Okay, is it completed? Reply fast. Roll number 7, Karuna. Is it completed? Okay, so go for next page. Write down this fast. Okay, so whatever now we have seen in the animation now, so all data just we have theory. Okay, now if you see, now we have seen the in animation extrusion blow molding, how the extrusion blow molding is working. So just now we have seen this molding processes. So this is just how the parts are getting manufacturing. Next, injection blow molding. Now we have seen it. Animation, same video, same write up is here. Okay. So what we'll do? So because 10 minutes are remaining, so you do one thing. You all guys please write up to this point. Okay. So write this data. So we'll stop here. And tomorrow we will go for the extrusion blow molding. So write down this types. Write down first one extrusion in the injection and stretch. Tomorrow again again we'll see animations, more animations. So we'll get a understood because this is we have just theory part, and by just making the communication or just bombarding the words from my side is not sufficient. So animation is a perfect point or can say scenario for us. So that's it. So write down. Write down. Write down fast. Is it completed? After completion, just send a message to me. So we'll go for the attendance. Sumit, roll number 77. Is it completed? Roll number 66. Roll number 80. Okay. So we'll take attendance.